Hisense TV black screen red light flashing. How to fix. Hey everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix your Hisense TV when it shows a black screen and the red light is flashing. Method 1. Power cycle your TV. Unplug the TV from the power outlet. Wait for 1 to 2 minutes. Press and hold the power button on the TV, not the remote, for about 15 seconds to drain residual power. Plug the TV back in and turn it on. Method 2. Check your remote control. Make sure the remote isn't stuck on the power button. Try using the physical power button on the TV to turn it on. Method 3. Inspect the HDMI and power cables. Disconnect all HDMI and external devices, like gaming consoles, streaming devices. Make sure the power cable is securely connected. Turn the TV on with no external devices connected. Method 4. Try a different power outlet. Plug your TV into a different power outlet to rule out power issues. Method 5. Reset the TV, if possible. Some Hisense models have a reset button, usually a small hole near the ports. Use a paper clip to press and hold for 10 to 15 seconds. The TV should restart and hopefully fix the issue. Method 6. Contact Hisense support. If none of these steps work, your TV might have a hardware problem. Contact Hisense customer support or a professional technician. Thanks for watching. If this helped, please like the video and subscribe for more TV troubleshooting tips.